muscle stretch in the version of mountain pose, right? So fingers wider and palms flat, legs together, raise your knees up. Now you're not trying to push the shoulders towards the floor. Try and keep your arms, shoulders back in one long straight line. So you're only pushing it up towards the ceiling. Raise your heels up, push your heels down, and try to give more fold to the pelvis. Don't push your shoulders down, right? So the back remains straight, but you're trying to fold your pelvis forward. Can you try and raise the heels up, heels down? When the heels are touching the floor, lift your toes up if you can. Again, raise your heels up, heels down. Your knees can lock, engage your thighs. Good. Now can you try to gently pedal your ankles 10 times? So press your right heel to the floor, press your left heel to the floor. Right heel, left heel. You're still extending the arms and shoulders. If you have tight calf, hamstrings, this gentle dynamic movement can release tension in that area. 3, 2, press the heel down, toes lift up. 1, heel down, toes lift up. Heel down, toes lift up. Relax. It's also a great pose to improve your upper body strength because your arms are pushing against the resistance of your hamstrings and the calf. Deep breathing.